Hello friends, welcome once again to Sagas Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular problem having here before us. Please, if this is your first time viewing, kindly click up the follow button, strengthen and learn my exciting video. You will notify. Now we are doing this that we should make S the subject of the formula. If you are this subject of the formula, you know that this is very simple. We are doing that S divided by A minus S divided by B is equals to C. We are asked that we should make S the subject of the what? Of the formula. Now what they are telling us to do is that we should make S subject to the equation. We should make S to stay on its own. That's what they are asked to do. So given that S divided by A minus S divided by B is equals to C. So first step, what we are going to do, we are going to take our LCM. So what is the LCM between A and B? The LCM between A and B is AB. You see, because A times B is AB. So AB divided by A, you will left with what? B into X. Can see? So AB divided by B, you left with what? A into X. That's here. Equals to what? C. So A, B times X will be what? BX. A times X will be what? Minus AX. R over the denominator, which is AB, equals to what? C. Now, will you agree with me that there's invisible one here? So by cross multiply, 1 multiplied by everything here, you have that this is A, this is BS minus AS, because equals to AB times C, give what? ABC. You see? So from our left hand side here, you can see that something is common. S is common. We'll factorize S as since S is common into BS divided by S will be what? B minus AS divided by S will be what? Minus A. All is equals to what? ABX. Now divide both sides by B minus A to make S the subject of the formula. You can see. So we divide here by what? B minus A, and divide here by what? B minus what? A. This will cancel out this. So now see that our A will be equals to what? ABS divided by what? B minus what? A. And this is the clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find it very interesting, do well to like this video, comment on this video, and also share this video to your friends so that others will learn. You guys are seeing that now I'm not frequently online as uploading content frequently, because the lecture now, I told you guys that we are resuming the semester. I promise you guys I will try as much as possible to be uploading content. So thank you so much for watching. This is your first time. This is Sagas Online Maths place where problem is solved with a clear solution. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.